In this lesson, we are going to understand. We are going to show the architecture of the application that we are building in this course. Okay, so here we have the an application where the user requests a ride and goes to the ride service. Then the ride service publishes the event ride requested to the matching service, and the matching service consumes the ride requested event and requests drivers nearby from location service. Once a driver accepts the ride, the status change and the event ride accepted is published. Okay. Basically, we have initially we have three services. Now let's start building the first service. Alright, so let's open Visual Studio and click in create project, create a new project. Okay, so let's create the solution first. Type here blank solution. Select blank solution. Now let's give it a name. We are going to give it the name ride service. Now let me choose another folder. Let me create a new folder to. Okay. Select one folder in your computer. I'll click create. Alright, so let's create our first project. Let's search here in create a new project for API. Let's type here API. Select this template here, click next. Alright, so we are going to give it the name ride service dot API. Click OK, click next. We're going to create in .NET 9. And we are not gonna check or uncheck nothing here below. So let's click create. Okay. Now let's create the next project. Click here, right click of the solution, click add new project. Okay, so now we are going to create a class library project. So type here select class library, type library, and select type class library and select class library. Click next. Okay. We are going to give it the name ride service dot application. Right. So select .NET 9 and click create. Alright, so let's create the next project. Click add new project. It is another class library, so type class library and select class library template. Click next. Okay. The name of this project is going to be ride service dot select here .NET9. Click create. Let's remove this class and let's create our next project. That is one more class library. So type class library, select class library. Click next. Okay, the name. Let's give it the name. Ride service. Okay, we created our 4 projects.